Hello guys, my name is Tejas Ramesh Navle. Today is 19 December 2022. Today's my topic is exception handling in Java. So I can discuss about exception handling in Java. The exception handling in a Java, one of the powerful mechanism in handle the runtime error in that the normal flow of the application can be maintained. So next is the what is the exception in Java? Dictionary, the exception is the dictionary meaning is the exception is an abnormal condition. Abnormal condition exception is the event that describe the normal flow of the program is the object which of the thrown of the runtime. The exception handling is a mechanism handle runtime such as the class not found exception, remote exception, etc. So advantages of exception handling: the core advantages of exception handling is the maintain of the normal flow of the applications. So next is the an exception normal application that is a way to we need exception handling. So example there is the statement in Java program and the exception occurs statement. Then the code will not be execute the statement 6 to 10 will not be executed when we perform exception handling. In the rest of the statement will be executed. So next is a hierarchy of the Java exception classes. Throwable class, the class Java exception inherit of subclass exception and error. So types of exception. First is the two type of exception handling. First is the check exception, or next is the uncheck exception, or third is the error. The check exception is the classes that directly inherit the throwable except error in the known as the check exception. Next is the uncheck exception. The classes that inherit runtime exception are known as the uncheck exception. Error is the irrecoverable in the error. So in this about is the exception handling in Java. So this is the exception event describe the normal flow of the program. It is the class not found in exception. So there are the core advantages of the exception handling: maintain normal flow of the application. In this exception handling, or then the code will not be execute statement into the exception handling. The rest to the statement will be the executed in the exception handling. So this is all about exception handling. So thank you.